Okay, here's a good song. You're asked a song. It is a good song. A good question. You need to rationalize the denominator. So I start with what I have, root 5 over 5 root 6 minus root 5. And I need to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. So that would be 5 root 6 plus root 5 and 5 root 6 plus root 5. Notice you only change the middle sign. Okay, now you multiply things. So it's just the regular FOIL thing. I guess FOIL on the bottom and the distributive property on the top. So this times this will be 5 root 30. Notice I multiply the numbers outside the radical and then multiply the numbers inside the radical. Okay, plus root 5 times root 5 would be the square root of 25 over, okay, now this one times this one, that'll be 25 root 36. Then this one times this one will be plus 5 root 30. And this one will be minus 5 root 30. Notice those are going to cancel. Whoops. Sorry, I want to get a different color. That's a nice color. Oh, there we go. And then this last one is minus root 25. Okay, on the top, I think I can just simplify this one. So it'll be 5 root 30 plus the square root of 25 is 5. And then on the bottom, 25, the square root of 36 is 6. So I can just multiply that. 5 root 30 and minus 5 root 30 cancel. Minus the square root of 25 again is 5. So then on the top I have 5 root 30 or plus 5 over 26 times 5 I think is 150 minus 5. Let's see if I can simplify that anymore. 5 root 30 plus 5 over, that'll be 145. Now, if I see that this term and this term and this term are all divisible by the same number, I can simplify this more. An easy way that I do it, or for me it makes sense, is on the top here I'm going to factor a 5 out, leaving me with root 30 plus 1. Right, you're dividing by 5, so 5 divided by 5 is 1, over 145, if you divide that by 5, I think it's 29 times 5. So this would be 5 times 29. And these 5s will cancel out. So my final answer will be root 30 plus 1 over 29. That's the way I like to write it. I think in the answer key, they took this 29, and this 5 out of 5 is 1, right? So they left that as 1 over 29, and they multiplied by what was in brackets. Either of those answers are correct, but this one I prefer. Theirs is correct, but I like that one. Okay, hopefully that helps you. If you have other questions, holler.